Hi everyone, it's Mike Bond with the Note Shop. Today we're going to go over what makes a good loan to create good returns. As always, if you like our videos, please like them. If you have any comments, questions, please let us know also. And subscribe so you get any of our future videos that we come out with. And if you want to watch future videos, also just hit that little bell button so it'll notify you when they come out. What makes up a good loan? Well, there's three real building blocks of any good loan, and that's good properties, good borrowers, and good security. And over the next three videos, we're going to go deep dive into each one of these. We're going to go over good properties and what makes it a good marketable property. Marketability is very necessary when you're looking at creating good loans. You want good borrowers. What makes up a good borrower? Is it credit? Is it experience? Is it all of those things? Next is what's good security? How do you make sure your money is secured right against that property? What legally do you need to do? What other entities like title do you need to use? So we're going to go over that piece by piece and help you create a good loan. These three parts are the whole building block to get your money secured, safe, and money flowing in, helping the community, helping borrowers, helping you. It's a win-win situation. As I said, we're going to have a three-part video program, and each one is going to be broken down individually so we can separate them and make sure you're creating this foundation to building good loans. So up first is going to be, we're going to go over good properties. What makes a good property? And what kind of properties should you be lending on? We're here to help you. So if you're out there looking for loans, you need someone to review it, consult on it, process the loan to make sure everything is put in place, even locate you a loan. We're here to help. Like our video so you get more content. Subscribe, follow us. We send out great content, and it's all based on helping you get better returns through better loans. And as always, happy investing.